Sunny and the Giggle Bells kids. Snow had covered the forest in a soft white blanket. It was the kind of morning that makes you feel warm inside even when the world feels cold outside. And in this magical winter village, someone was already up to mischief.
I smell something silly in the air, and I love it already.
Sunny had no idea that today he would meet something even sillier than himself. Something tiny, something shiny, something that never stops giggling. Chi-chi-ching, he.
Who laughed? Show yourself. I want to laugh too.
He, you found me.
A bell. A laughing bell. Why are you alive?
I giggle, I wiggle, I jingle, that is my job. No one had warned Sunny that Christmas bells sometimes get too excited and run away, and they never travel alone. Jingle, 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 he.
This is too many laughs for one puppy. Stop! You are making my tail spin faster than my brain.
It is Christmas week, we spread cheer and chaos, mostly cheer. Sunny thought they were cute. He also thought they were dangerous. Cute and dangerous. A terrible combination for a puppy who loves trouble.
Oh no, the Giggle Bells escaped again.
You know them.
Everyone knows them. They are Santa's noisiest helpers. If we do not bring them back soon, the entire forest will shake with giggles.
That was not an exaggeration. Last year the whole lake vibrated.
Then let's catch them. Before my ears fall off from giggling sounds.
But catching them was not going to be easy.
Stop rolling. I command you.
We follow nobody, except fun.
Sunny, bells do not listen to orders. They listen to kindness.
Kindness. I can do that. Probably.
This was Sunny's moment to learn the soft side of Christmas magic.
Hey, little Jingles, I know you want to play, but Santa needs you, and I promise we can play after.
That was nice. We like nice.
Okay, that tickles. Stop. No, keep going.
Sunny finally understood that Christmas magic works best when the heart stays soft. Thank you, Sunny. The forest will giggle safely again. Kids, sometimes chaos needs love. Sometimes noise needs patience. And sometimes a tiny giggle can fill an entire forest with joy. Like, share, and subscribe to your all-time favorite RiRo Kids Tales